Quick and healthy breakfast recipes energize your day the right way. Introduction. Starting your day with a nutritious breakfast sets the tone for a productive and energized day ahead. This collection of quick and healthy breakfast recipes offers a range of options to suit different tastes and dietary preferences. Whether you're rushing out the door or have a leisurely morning, these recipes are designed to provide essential nutrients and fuel for a great start. Wholesome oatmeal creations. A. Classic rolled oats with berries and nuts. Ingredients and preparation. Nutritional benefits. B. Overnight chia seed pudding. Customizing flavors and toppings. Benefits of chia seeds for breakfast. 2. Energizing smoothie bowls. A. Green Goddess smoothie bowl. Ingredients and preparation. Power-packed green ingredients. B. Berry Blast Acai bowl. Acai berry benefits for breakfast. Toppings for added crunch and flavor. 3. Protein-packed breakfast wraps. A. Veggie-packed egg white wrap. Creating a balanced veggie medley. Importance of protein in the morning. B. Greek yogurt parfait wrap. Layering for texture and flavor. Probiotic benefits of Greek yogurt. 4. Quick and hearty avocado toast variations. A. Avocado and poached egg on whole grain toast. Perfecting the poached egg technique. Avocado's role in a healthy breakfast. B. Smashed avocado with tomato and basil. Enhancing flavor with fresh herbs. Nutritional benefits of tomatoes. V. Nut butter and banana power toasts. A. Almond butter and banana toast. Choosing the right nut butter. Potassium-rich bananas for energy. B. Peanut butter and chia seed toast. Chia seeds, a breakfast superfood. Plant-based protein from peanut butter. Conclusion. Eating a quick and healthy breakfast doesn't have to be a hassle. These recipes offer a range of options to suit different tastes and lifestyles. By incorporating these nutritious options into your morning routine, you're not only fueling your body, but also setting a positive tone for the rest of your day. Remember, breakfast is an investment in your well-being and productivity.